Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Roblox launcher not responding after clicking play. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to click on the system tray and check Rivet Tuner or Razer Cortex or any overclocking software like MSA Afterburner is running in the background. Just right click on it and select exit it. After doing it, now you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you just need to right click on the taskbar and select task manager. In search, you just need to type Roblox. If anything is running in the background, just right click on it and select end task. After that, just close stuff here. Now go to search menu and type Roblox. Right click on the Roblox player and select open file location. Again right click on it and select open file location. And now you just need to find the Roblox player launcher. Just double click on it. After getting this done, select OK and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 3, you just need to check my video description for this link. Scroll down, download the Roblox player launcher, select download latest version option and it will download it. And select this folder icon. Now double click on the Roblox player installer and after the installation done, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 4, you just need to go to search menu and type add or remove programs. Click on open it. Search Roblox. Select the three dot icon next to Roblox player and select uninstall. After getting uninstall done, just close stuff here and open up Chrome. Search Roblox download and press enter. Select the download Roblox option. Select the download Windows app option. After getting download done, install it. After the installation done, hopefully your issue fixed. And that's it for today guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.